Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Ghibli filter on Lightroom. Some of them I think uses Pro, I'm not sure. But for exposure, you're just going to do plus 22 here, plus 0.22. What? I'm just going to leave it at 21. And then contrast, minus 11. And then highlights, you're going to do minus 100. Shadows, you're going to do plus 71. And then whites, minus 43. And then blacks, plus 65. Then you're going to go to color here. I'm just going to adjust the temps to the blue side a little bit, like around this much. Wait, hold on. Maybe like around this much actually. And then for tint, you're going to do plus 13. Sorry, I'm just adjusting it more. And then for vibrance, you're going to do plus 64. Saturation, minus 9. Oop, I did over. Okay. Then go back to light, go to curves. And for the white one, you're just going to pull this down a little bit. Add in this up here, kind of. Let me pull this down a little bit more. And then I'm going to add another one here. And then another one up here. And we're just going to drag this kind of here a little bit. For the blue one, I'm just going to add this. And then 2 more. Then I'm just going to pull this up a little bit. Like that. Press done. And then go to color and go to color grading. So for the first one here, I'm going to color it this green. Oops. Make sure that's like in the middle. And then for blending, we're going to go to 50. So that's like the normal blend that they have. And then for the second color grading, we're going to, actually for the first one, sorry. For the first one, we're going to color it blue. Like here-ish. And then the second one is that like yellow-green color. Like here. And then the third one, it's like another kind of yellowish green color, but more on the green side. And then press done. Then you're going to add these adjustments to this. So hue at minus 9, luminance plus 17. And then for the orange, minus 46. And then minus 9, sorry. Minus 9 and plus 17. Then for yellow, minus 6. And then, oh my gosh, it's so hard to adjust these. And then plus 31, and then plus 39. For green, it's plus 17, minus 5, and then it's plus 15. For cyan, it's plus 15, minus 26, and plus 16. For blue, it's minus 20, minus 18, and minus 30. For purple, it's plus 5 and plus 1. Well, plus 5, plus 0. Wait, 0 and plus 1. Lastly, it's this like magenta color. It's just says 0. Like so. Then we are going to press done. Go to the effects tab here. Go to grain. Put the grain up to 14. Put the size to 35. And then go to effects here. For texture, do minus 3. And then clarity, minus 36. And then dehaze, minus 6. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. This is the before and this is the after. It could be a little bit more warmer. I think it's because of my colors here. Like I could make it a little bit more to the right side actually. Maybe like this instead of that, but it depends on your picture anyways. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!